Smart wireless stethoscope can be used for both humans and animals. There is only one system, and you only need to change the human and animal app. I will explain to you for the smart wireless stethoscope functions. Power on off button. The power is turned on by pressing once and off by pressing and holding for 3 seconds. The power turns off automatically after 3 minutes of inactivity. Each time you press this button, the mode is selected. S, T, O. S means stethoscope. T means body temperature. O means oxygen saturation. After selecting the stethoscope mode S, you can select another mode. M button is mode of V, D, W. B means bell mode, tracks the heart sound. D means diaphragm mode, tracks the lung sound. And W means wide mode, tracks the heart and lung sounds at the same time. The order can be changed. B, D, W. Volume consists of digital levels. Plus means high and minus means low. LED window displays the state of mode. Let's check and I can hear my heart sound. Plug in your earphone and listen to my heart sound. Let's use software. How to use the YGST for human and the YSPEC Plus for animal. Download the YGST or YSPEC Plus from the Play Store or Somalitech homepage. Execute the YGST or YSPEC Plus. In this example, we will use the human app, and YSPEC Plus is the same. Execute the YGST app. This is the intro screen, and then you can see the home screen. If you click the table of contents bar, select setting here to connect Bluetooth and then select Somalitech. Now Bluetooth is on. Click first button and enter the photo and information. You can use a picture from the gallery or take a picture of yourself and adjust the picture size. Please enter your information. There are 4 diagnostic functions on the home screen: information, report, stethoscope, play. For the good data, please don't talk while your heart and lung sounds are saved. Stethoscope data can be saved as long as you want. Let's record 10 seconds. If you don't like the data, you can cancel it and save it again. Next, check the body temperature. Set the mode switch to T mode. The temperature sensor should be as close as possible, but don't touch the sensor because it is the non-contact sensor. If you touch the sensor, the value is not correct. Press the record start. After measuring temperature, press the update database and then the data is saved. You can measure body temperature several times. The bar graph appears as shown below. Next, check the oxygen saturation. Set the mode switch to O mode. Place your second finger lightly on the sensor. Press the record start. After measuring oxygen saturation, press the update database and then the data is saved. You can measure oxygen saturation several times. The bar graph appears as shown below. You can see the saved data list. If you drag the waveform about 5 or 6 columns and press the plus button, the waveform is calculated and heart rate is automatically displayed. Waveforms and spectrogram for auscultation sound is displayed. Red means the density of power spectrum that is very powerful energy. Generally, a spectrogram of 500 or less means healthy. But the diseased person or bad state of health condition is widespread and high in red color displayed. The constant and rise amplitude of the waveform means that the heart is very healthy. The final screen shows the result. You can see the information, body temperature, oxygen saturation, spectrogram, and waveform of your heart and lung sound. Also, doctor's opinion can be written below the screen. The data report shows a diagnosis. The upper screen can be printed by printer, email or SNS by click this icon. And telemedication is also possible by transferring data over the internet. Thank you very much for your interesting about this smart wireless stethoscope.